Okay.
What is up guys, Izote here, and I'm back with a new Game Maker tutorial. And this is part 2 of the top-down shooter. And in this tutorial, I've made a simple AI. I'm just gonna put it out there, it's not the best AI, but if you're a beginner and you want just something simple, not too complicated, then this is probably the best tutorial to probably go with. So first I drew my enemy, which is just a um duplicate of that except in red. I've added blood, which is just blood, red. Target. So yeah, this is just a new thing that I added. So let's take over the mouse instead. I added a sound of a gun, of it shooting. Let's see if we can play it. Yeah, so it's just gun. Yeah, you can. That's optional. Don't really need it. This background, just this floor. You can get it. You can destroy any floor you like. I use the background so I don't have to put the thing everywhere. Okay, in timelines, this is what you want to add. A timeline underscore wave, which is how the wave control be for the shooter. So these moments are optional. You can create steps as much as you can, but this is kind of hard. This hard mode. So yeah, for each step, I've made an instance create um, of the enemy. So where I got these coordinates from is from the room. So what I did was I went to my room. I made the snap one by one so I could get the exact pinpoint on where I want it, and the numbers are written down here. So yeah, so each of them are from each four corners that I have in my room. So there, and there. In blood I just had after 30 steps to destroy itself. So yeah. Okay, so object player, I've added a collider object enemy. I wanted to set the health to -1 relative, and in the create event I added a set health to 100 relative. Here all I added was the health. I mean, not here. All I added was the gun, the sound, and yeah, that was that. And my enemy in my step event, this is the code that you want to put in. So yeah. So you want to put image angle equals point direction xy object player dot x object player dot y and MP potential step. That's the code, the line that makes them follow you or go towards you. These codes will be in the description. Yeah. So yeah, I'll just put it there. Object bullet, all I did was if collide, I changed instance of that, and I wanted to stay still, because for some reason it moved. And object wall, just, yeah, the same thing as I did over here. So all I did was direction 12, maximum 12 against solid objects. Wave control, all I did here was a create event and set the timeline to the timeline wave. Like blood, here I put a stop moving direction, which is a still, and this is the timeline blood. Just yeah, just have these options. You don't need this. Yeah, I don't think you need that. Don't know why that's there. So here's where I drew my health bar. I set my health to 100, and then over here I drew health bar. So I'll just put this I'll just put this in the description so you guys can just copy it, and you can edit in your way. So if you want the health bar to be in the bottom corner, you just can figure yourself out. Over here is back color. So here's background color, and this is your minimum color. So and that's max color. So yeah, so I've covered that. And here is a target. So all I did was a step event, and I want to jump to position mouse underscore X and mouse underscore Y. And what I did was I also went to the global game settings and untick display the cursor. So I just want to untick that. And what I did here, I had to put my two things, so object health and object wave controller there, an enemy, and my target and my player itself. And you can customize your room in any way you like. And this is how your game will look like. So yeah, something like this. You can see they'll try to go around the walls to try to go towards you. It's not the best AI, like I said in the beginning. Oh my god. And yeah. Oh yeah, I think I forgot to mention one thing. Yeah. Let me just go back to player. Enemy. Where did I put it? Where did I put that? Oh yeah, okay. Here in in the step event, you should already have the movement. In my previous, if you don't, then just copy this for movement. And here I put if health is less than 1. So if health less than 1, show message you've died, better luck next time. Computer goes to sleep. Not computer, the game goes to sleep for 1000 milliseconds, and then the game restarts. So yeah. Yeah, by the way, this game make it light, so you don't need pro. As you can see, it works. And if they all surround you, it kind of glitches up, but that's fine. And if die, you've died, better luck next time. Okay, so your game freezes for a bit and restarts, so it doesn't automatically restart. So as you can see, the timer of your spawn rate can be customizable to whatever you want. And yeah, okay. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next tutorial.